guys? It's your girl. Today is Wednesday. Yes, I need to go to the post office to pick up my ad board because for whatever reason yesterday they told me they couldn't deliver it, so I'm assuming they want me to sign for it, even though I ordered it off of Amazon, which I've never had to sign for anything off of Amazon. That's so small, but whatever. Just finished cleaning. You know how I do. I got me some Zaxby's. I got me a little wing meal or whatever, sweet and spicy, with some fries and some honey mustard and a sweet tea. So I'm just gonna eat this before I go to the post office. I think I want to do my hair today. I'm tired of looking crusty, dusty. And yeah, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I think, put myself in the eye. I think I'm going to cook tomorrow. I'm not really sure what I want to cook. I'll probably cook like maybe like a whole chicken, some macaroni, maybe some yams, and honestly probably that's gonna be it because it's just really me and my dad. My boyfriend might get some food too if he wants some, but I think his family is cooking, so I don't know, but I'm not about to overdo it. But yeah, seems simple enough to make, so I'm just gonna do that and put it all in my ninja food because who got time to be slaving over the stove? Not me. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this chicken, go to the post office, get my life right, and holler at y'all when I'm actually doing something. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about the spa night last night. That went really well, except for when I was doing his pedicure, I accidentally cut the side of his foot with the scrapey thing, like the cheese grater looking thing. And he was bleeding for a little bit, and he was being very dramatic, but not like I did it on purpose. But anyway, give him a pedicure, give him a little facial, give him a massage, and you know, he enjoyed everything. So that's good, except for, you know, the cut on his foot. But he alright, he fine, he good. But that was a success. One thing I will say now is that when I say I be wearing like regular clothes, like sweats, like baggy stuff, and it's like now I just get so much attention. And honestly, in my head, like I thought I was gonna get the same amount of attention, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I already had a shape, but like now, man, like I'm just like, dang. Like I was not, honestly, I was not expecting like an influx of attention. I thought I was just gonna be the same old, you know, whatever. But people driving by, honking at me, asking me if I need help, dudes trying to holler at me, like people breaking their necks, like, and my booty is, well, for me, I feel like my booty's not that big, but I feel like, I guess when other people see my booty, they're like, dang, that booty big. But I was not expecting this, honestly, really and truly. I thought it was just gonna be the same. Don't you guys just hate when people don't pay attention to their surroundings? Like, I'm in the Publix parking lot. You see my reverse lights on. You see I'm ready to back up. And you gonna stand behind my car and have a conversation when I'm trying to reverse and go home? I just don't get it. But anyway, so I went to Publix. I got some Cornish hens and some elbows, cause I'm gonna make some macaroni and some yams. So I'm thinking about doing like a mango, like a spicy mango kind of glaze for the Cornish hens. Actually wanted to replicate this, these apricot Cornish hens that my stepdad used to do that was so good, but I can never find that, the apricot glaze that he used to use. So we just gonna do a thing with this mango one. Hopefully it tastes good. You know, still the sweet and spicy kind of thing. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it turns out good. If not, then at least it's just a small chicken, you know? Because Cornish hens are about like that big. So we'll see how it goes. I'll probably do like a few with the glaze and maybe like some of them regular with no glaze. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes, guys. Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm gonna make some macaroni. Oh, yeah. Isn't it so crazy to think that it's December and the year's about to be over and it is not even cold? My car is saying it's 70 degrees outside. My watch says 70 degrees outside, so it's right. That is crazy, bro. I didn't even get to wear my Uggs. Like, I was so ready. There goes the noodles. I was so ready to throw my Uggs on, be cute, you know, my little outfits or whatever. And the only Uggs I got to wear were my Ugg slides, which are open, so they're not that hot. But I didn't get to wear my boots. I don't want to wear my boots. I had bought some new ones too, and I don't even think I'm gonna wear them because it's been so warm. I mean, granted, I know like in New York and stuff it's been snowing and it's cold, but here in Georgia, bro, it is 70 degrees 2 days before Christmas. Like, that's crazy. Crazy. Man, when I was deployed, I used to get the best mango nectar or mango juice, mango nectar, whatever. And like coming back home, like I've been trying to find, you know, some mango nectar that's like it, but man, these brands do not compare. Like, oh, it was so good, and I wish I could just find, you know, where I can get some at, because I had bought this at Publix, but this one, it's okay. This one's like more on the juicy side. Like the ones when I was deployed was like thicker and more just so good. Ooh, fire truck, what's going on? Now, one thing I don't understand, why do Cornishans cost so much? They're so small. Like, bro, each Cornishan was $4.59. I could have bought a whole chicken for the price of what, like 2 of these Cornishans, if that, probably a little less than that. That's crazy. And I bought what, 6 of them? That's crazy. I didn't think that was gonna be that high. I didn't realize it was no $4.59 per little hand. Could have just bought a whole chicken. That's what I get for trying to be cute. I was like, oh, everybody gonna have their own little hand. It'd be so cute, or you can cut it in half. But I want to be extra, and I done paid all this money for this little chicken. Whatever. So guys, I made some baked macaroni in my foodie, and then I made some Cornish hens. These two are going to be a mango chutney glaze. And then got these here are going to be a lemon pepper, and I'm just air frying the outside so it can be nice and crispy. Time to glaze these bad boys. See, the chicken has been cut, but baby, you see all that chicken juice? Ew-wee. Your girl know how to finesse, okay? AliExpress wig, ton up, okay? Looking real cute, okay? And this wig is a little bit small, but can't really tell with the sideburns. Not bad. We'll see how it goes on through the day. This is the same one that I had wore before that last time, back in October. I decided to wash it and actually glued on this time. Last time I just hairsprayed it on, but this time it is actually glued on. Not too shabby. So y'all, it's the day before Christmas. I look cute to sit in the living room tomorrow. But anyway, Today is my 2-month anniversary for my girl Brenda, my booty. Today I filmed a 2-month update, a BBL update, so it's probably gonna be out a little after Christmas. I'm not sure when y'all gonna see this video that I'm making. I'm not good at making vlogs because I'd be starting like from a long time ago, and then I'm like, dang, when do I end the vlog? And then I'd be wanting it to be like kind of recent, but then by the time y'all see it, it's old. Anyway, whatever. So filmed that today. I plan to get it up a little bit after Christmas so y'all can watch that. And yeah, so I'm about to go to the store, get some wrapping paper, some bowls, and make some more Cornish hens. I made some mango chutney glazed Cornish hens yesterday, and they came out so freaking good, y'all. So good. So I'm probably gonna do the same thing again for my boyfriend because I did it for my dad, and oh, so delicious. Matter of fact, I should have ate some of that food before I left the house, but too late for that. Well, not really, because I'm sitting in front of my house, but whatever. I ain't feel like doing all that, so I'm probably just gonna get something on the road. What? I don't know. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are having a swell holiday. I know it's Rona and COVID going on, so I hope you guys stay safe. I know that a lot of people can't travel to see their families because they have compromised immune systems. So if you're gonna be alone for the holidays, you know, you can just watch this video and we could be together. I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow. My dad has to work. I'm not sure what my boyfriend's doing, so I just might be alone too. Majority of my family's in Texas. They were there for Thanksgiving as well, so you know, I'm missing out, like my mom, my brothers, my grandmother, aunts, cousins, like all of that. So you know, I missed them, but we did a Zoom call for Thanksgiving, so we'll probably do the same thing again for Christmas. No, I didn't buy anybody anything for Christmas because, you know what I'm saying, we out here penny pinching, okay? Times is hard, and I need to save my money, so y'all gonna get a hug and a kiss, and a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. So, anyway, you guys stay safe. I love you guys so much. And comment down below, let me know what y'all did for the holidays. If y'all can go anywhere, did you go anywhere? Did you have it at your house? Did you just do nothing? I don't know. Let me know what you did. So anyway, on that note, I'm gonna go run some errands, and I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all, when I say dudes be breaking their necks now, like they really be breaking their necks driving by in their car just, and it's like, damn bro, watch the road. People in the store talking about, oh, you ain't getting nothing for me for Christmas. No, I don't know you. I don't know you. Are you getting me something for Christmas? Like, ugh, I'm so hungry. I just got me a little wrap from Walmart. I don't know how that's gonna taste. And then I just got me a little mango smoothie, a little naked smoothies, and some grapefruit. And I'm gonna just eat that for the time being until I can get me some real food. Call me if you look on my now, fuck you good. You fuck somebody else. Somebody else. I saw this TikTok video talking about when that song come on and your man is in the car and the man just grilling her. Oh, so funny. So funny. Shoot, if my man in that car and the song come on, I'm gonna sing with my whole heart because he don't know what they saying. It's so dark, I can't even see what I look like, but he does not even know what they be saying, so I'm good. This wrap is pretty good. So hungry. Macaroni and ham, so good. So y'all, today is Christmas, and guess what I got? Clean really quickly. It's only one room I gotta clean, so it's not that bad. But at least I look cute while doing it. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit later. I know y'all probably like, I can't believe this girl's about to go clean on Christmas. Oh, his trunk is open. My boyfriend left his trunk open. But yeah, I'm about to go clean real quick because you know what I'm saying, with these other places, they be working on holidays, so I gotta work on holidays too. Oh, hair getting caught in the thing. I don't know why his trunk won't close, but I tried to close it and it just wouldn't close, so I don't know. He not answering the phone. Oh my gosh, you guys, my boyfriend is so sneaky. So sneaky. So, like I said, I'm at this house about to go clean, and I'm about to go get the stuff out of the car, and I look behind my seat, and I'm like, there's a present in my car? Like, what? And I was like, maybe, I don't know. I don't know if that's for me, because I told everybody that I wasn't buying anything. I didn't buy nobody nothing. So I hope he don't be like, oh, where's my present? Because I ain't get nobody nothing. But he got me a waffle maker because he know I love waffles. That is so thoughtful and so cute. Like, bro. And I was not expecting anything because he's already done so much. And he got me a waffle maker. And I didn't get him anything. And now I feel really bad. I feel really bad because my best friend sent me a gift. He got me a gift. Hopefully my daddy didn't get me a gift because I did not buy anything for anybody. Oh, we'll see, but that was so thoughtful, my little heart. Y'all, I just ate some leftover food from last night, some macaroni yams and a little Cornish hen. And I am so full. I'm about to go to my house now, and I'm going to finally edit this surgery video. It'll go out today as a Christmas gift to you guys, even though it's long overdue. I'm so sorry. And then I will go ahead and edit my 2-month BBL update video. Lighting keeps getting crazy, but edit my 2-month BBL video for you guys as well, and I'll post that maybe tomorrow or yeah, probably tomorrow because yeah, or maybe Monday, I don't know. But anyway, gonna go do that, and then hopefully see some Christmas lights later. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna go to my house, edit this video, relax a little bit, probably take a nap, and yeah. Oh, did I tell you guys my boyfriend got me a waffle maker? He freaking surprised me and got me a waffle maker, and I was not expecting anything. I think I told you guys that, but I can't remember if I did. But yeah, I got him a waffle maker, and I mean, he got me a waffle maker. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home now. So I feel like a total dirtbag because my dad got me some stuff. Like, he got me, so far I see 3 things. He got me 3 little things so far, and I didn't get anybody anything. This is from my sister and her siblings. This is so nice. And I ain't get nobody nothing. I feel so bad. I need to go to the store tomorrow or something. My daddy is so cute. I'm KB number 1, and my baby sister is KB number 2 because her name starts with a K as well.